Sissy. Well, I'm going to be opening a surprise, which Daddy has. Totally awesome! I want to open it now.
You need
Get
help?
the scissors. Never mind. Don't need the scissors. Ooh. Oh, here's her party hat. Oh, it's pink. And here's her little bag. Okay, I'm going to open this accessory. I think I know who I'm going to get. Avery loves this one. She loves it so much. Ooh. The secret message got stuck in here. And it is Queen for a Day. Okay, this is the LOL. What's in here? It's so small. I can't even tell what this is. Open you up. Oh, it's a little picture. Oh, wait, this is not a picture. This is a bag. And it's silver and it's glittery. Oh, her shoes are amazing. They look like sweet sapphires. I know I'm not going to get sweet sapphire. I know I'm not. What's in here? Whoa! She has little bunny ears. Wait. Another pair of shoes? Wait, what? Another pair of shoes? Wait. Look at these. Another pair of shoes. I never had a doll with another pair of shoes. I never. I'm just going to not dump these out. Because I don't need another piece of shoes. Okay, what is this? It has to be her cake piece. It's her bottle. Oh, it looks so cute. Wait, is there one that I didn't open? No, she doesn't have her cake piece. No! Wait. Oh. It's carrots! Oh. You look so cute. What is she? She's a crier. Huh. She's a crier. Okay. Wait, where's her dress? Oh, there it is. Carrots. Help me! Carrots, stop. Carrots! I can't even get this on her ear. Here's the right shoe. Oh, and here's your left shoe. I love this one. She is so cute. Carrots is so cool. Oh, can't forget this. So glittery. Okay. So there's plenty of them to collect. But now I've